Law number 41 states that avoid stepping into a great man's shoe. What happens first always appears better and more original that what comes after. If you succeed a great man or have a famous parent, you will have to accomplish double their achievements to outshine them. So this law states that you should choose some other path to make your own mark. Establish your own name and identity by changing the course. Law number 42. Strike the shepherd and the sheep will scatter. This law states that the power is normally in one or two hands. Usually, it revolves around one or two people. So, target these people. Trouble can often be traced to a single strong individual, the stirrer, the arrogant, underlying, the poison of goodwill. If you allow such people room to operate, others will succumb to their influence. Strike at the source of trouble and the sheep will scatter. So strike the source, the most powerful individual. Law number 43. Work on the hearts and minds of others. Coercion creates a reaction that will eventually work against you. You must seduce others into a wanting to move in your direction. A person you have seduced becomes your loyal pawn. So instead of coercion, try to win the hearts and minds of others to act in your own way. Otherwise, if you ignore the hearts and minds of others, they will grow hate for you. Law number 44. Disarm and infuriate with the mirror effect. This law states that do the actions what your enemies are doing. By holding up a mirror to their psyches, you seduce them with the illusion that you share their values. By holding up a mirror to their actions, you teach them a lesson. Law number 45. Preach the need for change but never reform too much at once. So bring change slowly. Too much innovations is traumatic and will lead to revolt. If you are new to a position of power or an outsider trying to build a power base, make a show of respecting the old way of doing things. If the change is necessary, make it feel like a gentle improvement on the past. Never appear too perfect. Very important law. It means that you should not appear too perfect. Envy creates silent enemies. It will make other people envious. So it is smart to occasionally display defects and admit to harmless vices in order to deflect envy and appear more human and approachable. Law number 47. Do not go past the mark you aimed for in victory. Learn when to stop. So in victory, what is when you have achieved your target, stop, not go further. In the heat of victory, arrogance and overconfidence can push you past the goal you had aimed for, and by going too far, you make more enemies than you defeat. Do not allow success to go to your head. Set a goal, and when you reach it, stop. Law number 48. Assume formlessness. Do not take a shape. By taking a shape, by having a visible plan, you open yourself to attack. Instead of taking a form for your enemy to grasp, keep yourself adaptable and on the move. The best way to protect yourself is to be as fluid and formless as water.